Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we'll look at how we can connect to a Debian machine. This is a Debian machine from a MacBook or Mac device using RDP or xrdp. Now on the Debian machine we just want to make sure that we have xrdp installed. We also will need to make sure we have SSH installed and enabled. So let's open the terminal and run a few commands. So the first command is sudo apt install open SSH server. It's already installed, and to check if it's running I'll do system ctl status ssh. So it's active and running. Let's install xrdp apt install xrdp -y. And it's done. Now it's recommended that before we do any installations, it's best practice to update the package repository. So sudo apt update, you can run that before you do the installations. And finally we'll need the IP address here, because we'll need this IP address to input on the Mac device on the client we'll be using to connect to this Debian device. We'll do IP address. To get the IP address, it's 172.16.1.101. Okay, now I'm on the MacBook or the Mac device, and we'll be making the connection to the Debian device from this device. What we need to do here is to get an app called Windows app for remote desktop. So we'll open the App Store and search for Windows app, and this is the app right here, which used to be called remote desktop. I already have it installed, so you can install this. Once you have it installed, you can open it, and this is what it looks like. If it's your first time using it, you're not gonna have any connections. Now, to make a connection, you need to click on the plus sign and add PC. You'll need the IP address of the remote device. So we have the Debian IP of 172.16.1.101. Now you can also make sure that you can reach it by opening your terminal and trying to ping that IP. You can ping, say 3 and 172.6.1.101. And in this case we can reach it, so it's reachable. Now with that we can go ahead with the information we need to input. So you need to put in a username configured on the Debian device. So add user and input the username here and the password. Click add. Now you have the username and password. The rest the rest of it will leave at the default. We'll click add, and there it is. So if you hover on it and click on the 3 dots, you have the option to connect. If this is your first time connecting, it's gonna ask if you trust the device. So I'll click connect. Okay, yeah, put in a password. And as you can see, this is the window right here for the remote desktop application, and I'm connected to the Debian device, and I still have access to my so I can work on my Mac device and still be able to work on the Debian device. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect from a Mac device to a Debian device. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.